Every window that I saw on 2nd Avenue was broken out.
I'm dead to death. I hurt my leg.
We're flying blind because we don't have any radar or much of anything out here except just the weather.
Shingles were down, the roof was down, nails, and our car was destroyed.
Just picked us up right off the road, and then it just dropped us.
Let's 10-4, we're on it. We're on our way to Centennial Park.
Another severe storm is moving through.
But I would request businesses to not operate their businesses unless absolutely necessary in the downtown area.
We used to have a 2-story building here. It's only one now.
It could have been an absolute disaster.
Get in! Get in! Get in!
The storm just tore all the buildings around us to pieces.
Just a big monster, and there's nobody that can do nothing about it.
We got news cars, windows busted out.
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Oh, it was awful. I've never seen nothing like this in my life.
We have a tornado on the ground at 12th and Charlotte in downtown Nashville.
It's so chaotic right now. Right now, the main thing they're doing is...
It's coming now.
We all saw it coming, we all took cover, and it went right over.
We got power lines down on the front! Everybody all right?
Nothing could be done, and it was just eating anything up in its path.
There is some very serious looking weather here developing just north of the city of Nashville. We'll stay with this Skycam picture just to the northwest.
This does have rotation and a possible tornado in it.
That's it. Here comes the rain sheet.
Look at these clouds over here. I mean, you're right, they're swirling.
Oh my.
Over here? Where is it? Is it coming from over there?
Let's go! Let's go! Get back in! Phil, get back in now!
Look at it swirling. It's going to go right downtown. Look, it's all coming together. Look.
I'm all right, I'm all right, I'm all right.
Get in!
Hey, are you getting it? Look at it.
We gotta lock that door.
There it goes right there. It's about a mile wide, folks.
Hello, we're back on the air. This is Joe Case live from the newsroom here at NewsChannel 5, and what we're watching, if we have a picture up, what we're watching is the actual...
Did we totally lose power in the whole building?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're dead.
We're off the air, baby.
You mean open the door here?
It's still pretty wicked out there.
Oh, okay.
I think the worst of it's gone.
Yeah, that tower's shot out
There it goes. It's going that way.
It's calm over the city.
Real calm, guys.